Yes, beta. Hello. Sorry for the inconvenience. My phone got over temperature, right? It was too hot and it got automatically hangs up. So I was disconnected for a while. Now it is okay. So where we were, whose turn is going on? We can continue just after it, right?
Ma'am, Swara's turn.
Yes, Swara, you can continue where you were.
Yes, ma'am. That we all remember. The sight of it made me sad. We had been walking for 3.5 hours and were now almost back to where we had started. But Harris was delighted. Now at last, said Harris, we know where we are. I thought you said it doesn't matter, said Harris.
Didn't matter, said George.
Didn't matter, said George. It does not
Good.
reply,
Now,
Harris.
wait. Now, next student's turn. Whose turn is there now? Swara Soni, to whom I told?
Veer Kela.
Veer Kaila. You can start, Veer.
Veer Kela, ma'am.
Yes, Veer Kaila.
It does not reply, Harris, but
Yes.
it doesn't reply, but it is just as well to be certain. Now it looks like we are going west. We are going east, south, George. You are confusing me, said Harris. I don't mind if I do, said George. I would rather do that than go wrong. I tell you, we are going east. What nonsense, said Harris. There's the sun. I can see the sun, answered George. It may be where it should be, according to you and science, or it may not. All I know is that when we were down in the village, the hill was not open. You are quite right, said Harris. I forgot for the moment that we turned round.
Okay, then
And walked
next
in the other direction. At the end of
next
40 minutes,
at the end of the 40 minutes of climbing.
we again came to an opening. Again the village lay just below us. This is very strange, said Harry. The village should be on the other side.
Now who? After Veer,
Ma'am, can
whom I told?
Ma'am, Sarah. Ma'am, can I?
Sarang, yes, Sarang, you can continue. Sarang,
Ma'am,
Gagara.
can I, Nirva?
No, Nirva, you have done one time, na? Okay, and another student. Who wants to read? Next one. Yes, Niu, you can continue. Yes, Niu, you can continue. Okay, now see, you can continue Niu. Am I audible to you all?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay, now, Niu, you can continue.
I'm new left.
Okay, then who is there? Who wants to read? Anyone?
Ma'am, I want to read.
Ma'am, I Nishtha Gule.
Yes, Nishtha, you can continue.
Okay, ma'am. I think, said George, looking cross, that we should just go down there and get some rest. But it can't be the same village, said Harris. There is no mistaking that church, said George. Anyhow, which way do we go now? I don't know, said Harris, and I don't care. I have done my best. You have done nothing but grumble. I may have grumbled, said George, but look at the thing from my point of view. One of you leads me to a vast nest in the middle of the road. Up and down hill for hours. Doesn't it not? What's that? Turn around now. Now begin to ascend downstairs. I'm going to offer him the work of the slave he is touching. He will say, "Ma'am, that was voice."
Done?
No, ma'am, not done. I am reading, but there was noise.
Whose speaker is on?
Ma'am, I am to reading. Ma'am, मैं तो read कर रही हूँ.
So, hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now you are audible clearly. Where you reached?
Ma'am, I have reached till I am going to offer him the work of the hay he is cutting to lead me
Good.
straight to Todmose.
Todmose. If you two fellows like to follow, you can. Now next paragraph, who is interested to read?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Yashika Jain. Yes, Yashika.
Yes, ma'am. Gerard's plan was not very clever, but at the moment it appealed to us. Fortunately, we had now reached at the point that was a very short distance away from the spot where we had originally gone wrong. So, with the help of gentleman Gerard had seen, we finally round did race or but as later
Not audible clearly, Yashika.
ma'am, my voice is coming now.
Now it is okay.
Okay, ma'am. I am reading from starting. Gerard's plan was not very clever, but at the moment it appealed to us. Fortunately, we had now reached at the point that was a very short distance away from the spot where we had originally gone wrong. So, with the help of the gentleman Gerard had seen, we finally found the road. George had seen, we finally found the road. We did reach Todmose that day, but 4 hours later than we had calculated to reach it.
Good. Adapted from Three Men on the Bummel by Jerome K. Jerome. Now, Jerome Kalpa Jerome was born in 1859 and he died in 1927. He was an English writer who was best known for the comic travelogue Three Men in a Boat. It was published in 1887. Three Men on the Bummel is the follow-up to Three Men in a Boat. And like the first book, it describes the adventures that Jerome enjoys with his friends, George and Harris. Jerome was very interested in new ideas and experiences. He traveled widely throughout Europe, enjoyed skiing in the Alps, and visited Russia and America several times. His work has been translated in several foreign languages. Three is class today. You remember regarding the travel bit. Okay. Learned it that it was a mark of so universes here there are
Ma'am, your voice is cracking.
Good.
Ma'am, your voice is cracking.
What is your message? CHP. What is this? Sarang? Sarang Agara.
Ma'am, now your voice is...
Sarang Agara, what is this? Sarang Agara, what is this? Answer me. Are you in Sarang Agara? Sarang Agara, by mistake may I disconnect you, Sarang? एक काम करती हूँ मैं तुम्हें डिस्कनेक्ट कर देती हूँ, मीटिंग लॉक कर देती हूँ, एंड whenever you call I will say कि by mistake. Last year I dare you just because it was your first year. This time I will not going to entertain such kind of nonsense. If you are not interested, you can leave the class, but don't disturb others. This is your second message. First also, without any reason, why you people are creating, showing that you are something more greater than teacher and your classmates. If you are not interested, you can leave right now. But don't create any kind of mess. Last year also I just neglect you just to make sure that your study will not spoil. This time if you try to do it meaningfully, then it will be really very dangerous for you. लास्ट ईयर पिछले साल 5th में थे, आई थॉट कि चलो हो जाता है बच्चों से, बट ये 6th में ये सब अलाउ नहीं होगा, कोई भी हो. अगर इंटरेस्टेड नहीं हो तो लीव करो, हमारी भी बहुत सारी जिम्मेदारियां है. खुद का, स्कूल का और टीचर का टाइम वेस्ट मत करो, हमारा टाइम बहुत कीमती है. We people are serving for you, keeping our family at the danger zone. You don't know how much teachers are bearing nowadays. अगर रिस्पेक्ट नहीं कर सकते तो डिसरिस्पेक्ट भी मत करो, लीव हो जाओ. जरूरत नहीं है ऐसे स्टूडेंट को स्कूल को जिनको इतना भी मैनर्स नहीं हो कि व्हाट टू टाइप, हाउ टू टाइप एंड वेयर टू टाइप. Shambhivani, why you are on mute? Again I am telling you, listen me carefully. Each and every student of 6th, A, B, C, D, whatever. I want discipline. 5th में थोड़ा बहुत neglect किया था. This time I am not going to entertain such kind of things. Shambhivani, shut up. Again, next very important notice about notebook maintenance. This year, you people will have 20 marks in each term for notebook, 10 marks for notebook, and rest of the things I will inform you. अगर notebook well maintained नहीं है, time पे submit नहीं है, तो I am telling you, I will put 0, और वो 0 matter करेगा. You have to make notebook, you have to fill the index properly as I shown you last year. Again I am telling you, it should be in proper form.
Ma'am, you have also shown in first lecture of first day.
Yes, word meaning. And today's homework is you have to write word meaning of the chapter in your fair notebook and read the chapter at home, because in our next lecture we are going to explain the chapter. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
वीर कैला आज absent होगा. किसकी परमिशन से क्लास लीव किया? शाम भीमानी वीर कैला. If you people will not follow discipline, then you have to suffer. Again I am telling you, last year I neglected just because to make you comfortable with the situation. But it doesn't mean that you people are having right to do whatever you want. Shamdimani, leave the class. You can leave, Shamdimani. You are in hurry. Without any reason, no one will type anything in the chat box. What is this? Psycho and CHB fed to. What you have typed? This will not allow, Sarang. If I find you next time, I am telling you, I will call your father or mother, any one of your parents. And then in school also I will tell. Yes, Kaveh, every time I guide you people, but when I see the actual notebook of few of you, I feel proud. And at the other hand, I feel shame on myself how my students are writing. Even though I have explained you each and every point of writing like a first standard student. Last year it was okay, chalo, thik tha, ki the situation was bad, you people are too small. That one. Now you are grown up. You are having 1 year's practice of maintaining all the things. You have to be perfect enough to maintain your notebook. Again I am telling you, I don't bear any kind of indiscipline and nonsense in the class. And in notebook maintenance and each and every task of English. If you are not okay, then try to change your attitude. It will not help you so long. Right? Now see, today what we have done? Today we have introduced the chapter with the travel stories, okay, with our travel experiences. Then what we have done? Then we read out the chapter, and in our next class we are going to see the explanation of the chapter. Then we will have the homework in worksheet. Just make me sure, how many of you don't have notebook worksheet? Do you have worksheet with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Ma'am,
Okay,
I
fine.
have also worksheet. Excuse
Good.
me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I was having corona, so when they told to buy the worksheet from stationery, we were not able to buy, so I don't have, and there's lockdown right now, so the stationery is
Good.
closed.
कोई नहीं. निष्ठा. Don't worry. Okay. Note worksheet अभी तुम नहीं करो तो भी चलेगा. Now tell me, how are you? On your camera, I want to see you.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, am I visible?
कब हुआ बच्चा? कब हुआ था कोरोना?
Ma'am, before 20 days.
Alright. तो अब कैसा है? आपकी हेल्थ ठीक है?
Ma'am, my mother's report is negative. Today I will do the second report.
ओके एंड घर में बाकी सब कैसे, पापा वो सब ठीक है?
हाँ मैम, yes ma'am.
ओके ओके, टेक केयर निष्ठा, डोंट वरी, वर्कशीट यू कैन कंप्लीट इन समर वेकेशन आल्सो, राइट? डोंट वरी, अभी के लिए पढ़ाई का भी स्ट्रेस मत लो, यू आर एबल इनफ टू कंप्लीट द लॉस. ओके निष्ठा, डोंट वरी फॉर द थिंग.
All the subjects homeworks I have completed. Classwork I borrowed from someone else.
Okay, so don't worry, take rest. You need rest, right? पढ़ाई होगी निष्ठा. It will not matter you because you are intelligent student. But health is important, right? Take care of your health, right? कोई भी ऐसा काम लगे कि ज्योति मैम will help me, so you can call me anytime. किसी भी बात के लिए, right? I will help you if needed, right? Any one of you, not only निष्ठा. आप में से किसी को भी ऐसा लगे कि ज्योति मैम will be able enough to help you in any kind of situation, you can call me anytime, right? I am your friend more than a teacher, so be aware about it. कभी कभी डांटना भी जरूरी होता है, and it is my right to just tease you if you do the mistake. But again I am telling you, health and safety is more important than anything else in the world, and I understand it very seriously, right? Because I have experienced a lot in this last month. So be safe, be fit, try to eat whatever your mother give to you. For few days forget about the taste. जो भी आ रहा है, मम्मी जो भी दे रही है, अच्छे से खाना, drink lot of water and try to be healthy. All right? I hope you people will understand me. Now let's see the next part. Today we have completed the reading with introduction. Today's homework is you have to write down the word meanings of the chapter in fair notebook in proper format. First, fill the index. Chapter number 1, A Walk to Remember. Then on the first page, chapter number 1, A Walk to Remember. Just on the first line, what? Word meaning. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. One finger gap between each word is compulsory. After writing one word, keep one line. Kavya, very good. I am very happy to see that you are taking good care. Try to drink little bit hot water, okay? Warm water, not hot, warm water. It will help you more, because since last 1 month I am drinking warm water only. I haven't drink cold water, and it is really effective. Though I was having before 20 days, but now also I am really tired. I am not even able to sit for half an hour. Okay, yes, and I also drink lemon juice. So may God bless all of you. Please take care of yourself. May God bless you with good health. Okay, if you people are having any doubt regarding the academics, you can call me anytime. Do you clear about the homework policy? Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
Okay, so you can leave now. Time is over. May God bless you. Bye.
Bye ma'am. Ma'am, the grammar portion will be coming in the workbook only?
हाँ बेटा, वर्कबुक में ही होगा. All right, yes.
Ma'am, you sent PDF of new words.
बेटा ये न्यू वर्ड्स ना टेक्स्ट बुक के ही है. अभी मैं नोटबुक यहाँ पे अगर शॉप खुली होगी तो मैं नोटबुक लेके आऊंगी, और आई विल शो यू द वे ऑफ राइटिंग ऑल्सो. कल मैं गई थी स्कूल, आते आते देखा बट होल मोरवी वॉज लॉक्ड, so I was not able to buy the notebook. Yesterday I went to school for collecting the books because I was not having books of 7th and few books of 6th also. So now I am ready with my material. If I get book now in our town, okay, बावड़ी की कुछ दुकानों में अगर book मिलती है तो by the end of the day you will get the proper format of maintaining notebook, because this time I decided to write by me first and it will be for you.
Ma'am, means we have to write in textbook word meanings.
बेटा टेक्स्ट बुक के वर्ड मीनिंग आपको नोटबुक में लिखने हैं, जैसे हमेशा लिखते हो चैप्टर के। ऑल राइट निर्वा?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, the
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, the stationaries will be closed till 5 as there is lockdown. That's why I'm not going to buy the worksheet.
It's okay, Nisha. It's okay. Any one of you, don't worry. Because I also went out after 1 month. Yesterday I went out after 1 month. So it's okay. Don't worry for a while. मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। निष्ठा तुमसे देखो, एक बात है, तुम सबकी हेल्थ, तुम सबकी फैमिली की हेल्थ मेरे लिए पढ़ाई से भी ज्यादा जरूरी है अभी के लिए। बिकॉज लास्ट मंथ में मैंने देखा है कि क्या क्या हो सकता है। राइट? सो डोंट वरी, एंजॉय योर डे, अच्छे से खाना खाओ, ज्यादा पानी पियो, पढ़ाई भी अच्छे से करो। कभी भी कोई डाउट लगे तो ज्योति मैम है। राइट? बी हैप्पी, लव यू ऑल।
You were having COVID?
Yes?
Ma'am, you were having COVID, corona?
Yes, Nishtha, and it was extremely horrible. Since 3 to 4 days, I was not even able to, what we call, it was, I don't want to remember also. Just, I thank every day to God, few of the parents who was praying a lot for me, few of my colleagues, and yes, of course, my family. मेरे कोरोना के बाद my husband got positive, both of my mother-in-laws got positive, and now they are little bit stable. So this last month was really horrible for me. That's why I'm telling you, nothing is important more than the health and family. Enjoy everything with your family. Or nowadays, mummy is Bhagwan. Whatever your mummy gives to you, eat it blindly. Don't argue कि इसका टेस्ट अच्छा नहीं लगा, जो भी दे खा लो, because mother is the important person who can protect us more than a doctor. Right? Have a good day. Bye. Bye.
Ma'am.
Who is laughing? Who is laughing? Kaula.
मैम कल मैं ना 1 महीने के बाद नीचे गई थी, तब मैं गिर के आई।
ओ कोई नहीं, मम्मा मेरी फ्रेंड है ना, ठीक कर देगी। राइट? लव यू काव्या। टुडे यू आर लुकिंग वेरी, ओह सुपर काव्या, इतना सारा लग गया। यू हैव टू टेक केयर काव्या।
यस मैम।
ओके, टेक केयर काव्या। है ना, हल्दी वाला दूध पीना, और जो भी मम्मी बोले मम्मी की बात सुनना। आई विल कॉल योर मदर इन द इवनिंग टू आस्क व्हाट यू हैव ईटन और ऑल दिस थिंग्स। आज का शेड्यूल मम्मा को पूछूंगी मैं, कितना परेशान किया था। राइट? टेक केयर। ओके बच्चा? ओके, बाय बाय। हाँ, मैं फोन करूंगी मम्मा को। आई विल आस्क योर मदर अबाउट योर डे टुडे। राइट? हैव अ गुड डे। बाय बाय, टेक केयर। बाय बाय।